Sakrete B1 Leveler is a trowel-applied leveling material designed to be used over both concrete and wooden surfaces. Begin by adding about 3/4 of the required water to a 5-gallon pail. Then add the B1. The best way to mix B1 is using a power drill with a mixing paddle. Add the remainder of the water as needed. Be careful when mixing to keep a firm grip on the bucket to prevent it from spinning once you turn the drill on. When mixed properly, B1 has a very thick consistency. B1 can be used up to 2 inches in thickness. In this application, it is being used to level these 2 concrete slabs. While the upper slab is perfectly level, the lower slab has a pitch to it. This pitch prevents using a self-leveling material and makes B1 trowel-grade material the perfect choice. Make sure that the floor has been cleaned and washed to remove all dust that might interfere with bonding. Then, using a trowel, apply B1 to the surface. Continue to work into place until the full thickness is obtained. When mixed properly, B1 will be stiff. Do not overwater in an attempt to make the product easier to trowel. This will weaken the bond and lower the strength. B1 is a rapid setting material. It will become too stiff to trowel within about 15 minutes, depending on temperature and humidity. It is best not to mix more than 2 25-pound bags at one time. In addition to applying B1 over concrete, it can also be used over wood or tile, provided that the surfaces do not have any loose or deteriorated material.